Hi everyone, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be starting my hair growth journey, or I should say regrowth, really. For those of my regular viewers who aren't interested in seeing how thin my hair is, or what's going to happen when I start using this new product, you can just skip this. But for people who are interested in seeing my hair growth journey, stay tuned. Copenhagen Grooming, a leader in hair and beard growth products, contacted me to see if I'd be interested in reviewing their product. Well, I don't know why they picked me, do you? Could it be because my hair is getting so thin? Maybe. But anyway, I have to say I've always been skeptical of products like this. Really skeptical. But I thought, well, why not? I'll give it a try. If it works, it could help me and help my viewers too. So I'm probably just going to be doing 3 videos for this. Today's video to show you before I start, something midway, and then something at the end. Now the product is for 150 days. Now I'm going to do the whole 150 days, and I'll show you in the middle, maybe more than once, how it's going, and then at the end. And we'll decide then if it's worth it. First of all, I'll show you these pictures here, what my hair looks like from the top when it's dry. Now, probably from this angle, it doesn't look too bad, but you can clearly see that my hair is thinning rapidly. And if I don't do something, probably within a few years, I'm going to be completely bald in the front. I don't want that. Now, most of you aren't going to be interested in buying this product until the end when you see the results in 150 days. But if you want to buy it now and do the hair growth journey along with me, you have nothing to lose because it has a money-back guarantee. But I understand if you want to wait to see if it works. Anyway, I'm going to put a link down in the description of how to order, where to order it, and then you use the code TAYLOR20 to get 20% off the price. I'm not going to pull any punches. If I don't think it works at the end, I'm going to tell you. And that's why I respect this company, because they don't want to have any control over my video. They just want me to try it and honestly review it. I like that. You can see here all the things that come in the package. The coolest thing is the moon roller. I don't know if you can see that, but it has these little tiny needles that you roll across your head. I'm not going to do it right now. I think it stimulates the hair follicles and also makes your scalp receptive to the activator or the activator gel. You also get this cleanser, and that's to spray off the moon roller. And make sure it's clean before you use it. You get 3 of these bottles of dietary supplements and 3 bottles of the activator. And that's it. It's a pretty simple process. Now, every day you apply the activator gel. And just rub it in the scalp. And then only every 3 days you use the moon roller. I think any more than that might irritate the scalp too much. But it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. You just apply some light pressure and that's it. Now here I'm going to show you a video of me actually applying the product and using the moon roller. That should be fun. And please don't laugh or judge me. Hi, well, I'm fresh out of the shower, and I wanted to show you how easy the Copenhagen Grooming Hair Growth product is to use. It only takes a very short time. So the first thing you want to do is clean your moon roller. That's simple, just take the cap off and spray it with the cleanser. You have to move the head around a little bit. And that just makes sure it's all clean to put on your head. So you can see that when my hair is wet, it really shows how thin it is. I can't believe I'm showing this to you guys. So you just go across your head about 20 times in each direction. Using light pressure, even though these are like little needles, it doesn't really hurt. And what I've discovered is that my hair is so fine and thin that when I change directions, I have to comb my hair the other way. I'll show you. So now I'm going to do it the other way. So then I just comb my hair down, and then I do it this way 20 times. It sometimes makes your scalp a little bit red, but it goes away quickly. And do it sideways. Now do it at an angle. This just stimulates your hair follicles to make it receptive to the growth gel. Okay, now I'm done with the moon roller, and I just rinse it off and put it back in its container. Now I simply put the activator hair serum in the balding parts of my hair, like this. Now you just rub it into your scalp, really good. Get it in there. Oh my gosh, no one's ever seen my hair like this. Now this product works sort of like a hair gel. So I just comb it straight back, which is not the way I usually wear my hair, but it looks okay like this. And as it dries, I can comb it again and get some of the wet look out of it. But that's it. It couldn't be simpler. Just takes a couple minutes a day. There's also video instructions online if you're confused about how to use it, but it couldn't be simpler, really. So if you're new here and want to see my progress with this product, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I have a new video. And for some of these new viewers, they might be interested in my regular channel, which is about retirement in Malaysia and living in Malaysia. There's one more fun bonus thing that comes with it. And that's this heavy-duty rubber band that secures the package you get. Well, guess what? This makes a wonderful cat toy. Earl Grey, my cat, just loves it, as you can see here in this video. Isn't he having fun? He just loves it. It's his new favorite toy, go figure. So that's just an added bonus. So anyway, please stay tuned for my hair growth journey. We'll do it together and see what it's like. I'm still skeptical, but I have high hopes that I'm going to have a much fuller head of hair in a few months. Well, that's all I have for today, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.